Hello students, how are you? I want to start the lesson by wishing you good luck. The theme of today's lesson is History of Computer Development. The aims of the lessons are to give information about the background of the first computer development. So other aims of the lesson include to give information about the first computer applications, to enrich students' vocabulary with new terms. Computer was originally a job title. It was used to describe those human beings, usually women, whose job it was to perform the repetitive calculations. From this picture we can see a typical computer operation back when computers were people. In 1617, John Napier from Scotland invented logarithms, which are a technology that allows multiplication to be performed via addition. Napier's invention led directly to the slide rule. Blaise Pascal invented it in 1642 at the age of 19 to help his father, who was a tax collector. Pascal built 50 of these gear-driven one-function calculator. It could only add, but they really were not that accurate. In 1801, the Frenchman Joseph-Marie Jacquard invented a power loom that could base its wave upon a pattern automatically read from punched wooden cards held together in a long row by rope. Descendants of these punched cards have been in use ever since. In 1834, Charles Babbage and Lady Lovelace, Lord Byron's daughter, worked out the first coded program. Lady Lovelace was a brilliant mathematician. She took an active part in Babbage's experiments, so it's fair to say that she was the world's first computer programmer. In 1937, Dr. Aiken of Harvard University began to work at the first completely automatic digital computer, which he called the Mark I. He completed it in 1944. One of the primary programmers for the Mark I was a woman, Grace Hopper. The first electronic computer, the electronic numerical integrator and the calculator, was constructed in 1946 at the University of Pennsylvania. There are 5 generations of computers. The first generation computers from 1940s till 1959. They were large in size, thousands of vacuum tubes, and slow. The second generation began in 1959. They had use of transistors, smaller, more powerful, and more reliable. They had programming languages. The third generation, they had silicon chips and were small in size and large capabilities. The fourth generation, all computers of the present time, from the microcomputer to the supercomputer. From these pictures we can say fourth generation computers. About fifth generation computers, they are different in size, speed, and the storage capacity. They are artificial intelligence, natural languages, large scale and integration technologies. So that's all. And today for your homework I will give these exercises. Please complete the sentences using one word: operate, eliminate, store, determine, enter, subtract, and require. Your homework also to search information about quantum computers, biocomputers, molecular computers, optical computers, and make a speech for 3 minutes. So for now, today's lesson is over. I hope the lesson was interesting and useful for you. In the future, we will cover more information about computers. Goodbye.